Hello Blender users. Welcome to this quick overview of the latest updates in the Texture Baking Assistant add-on. We've introduced the Bake Active Node function, a new feature that allows you to directly bake your active node into a texture. Also, we've added the Bake with Reconnect feature, which automatically reconnects your baked textures, saving you time and simplifying your workflow. In addition, if your textures have standard names, our add-on can automatically generate a material from them. Thanks for watching.